nakakapagod magbayad. Meron ka tinatawag mong
Ayaw mong parang may tali or
may
burden.
fatigue ka. So, depende na yan sa personality mo.
Yeah.
Kasi I don't fault people na malakas ang loob.
At ang daming ganyan.
Pero now, ako, as when I coach people, pag sobrang lakas ang loob mo, pas wala kang wisdom, ano yan? Danger yan.
So, where to invest? I
Yeah.
mean, if you're just starting out,
Yun.
let's say, hindi pa ganun kalaki ang iyong naipon, tas mamaya puntahan natin yung meron ng malalaking
Okay.
ipon, pero hindi alam kung saan din ilalagay.
So, number one, the best investment is to educate yourself first. Ano yung mga available sa'yo? Kasi mina-match din yan eh.
Okay.
Let's say some investments na gagawin ko, medyo hindi bagay sa inyo, mag-asawa.
Yeah.
Gets niyo yan?
Oo.
So, pero may mga base naman tayo na pwede. Parang pyramid yan. May base ka, yung base mo, ito yung mga low risk, hindi ganun kaganda income, pero medyo safe, doon ka dapat mag-start.
Low risk.
Low risk muna, tapos packet ka ng packet as you have the confidence and the knowledge to do so.
Oo.
So, ano ba yung basic mo? Ito na yung beauty ngayon.
Oo.
Maraming options ngayon kaysa nung panahon
Nung panahon
namin.
yun.
Oo.
True.
Kasi unang-una,
Dati time deposit lang
Hindi,
yata
unang-una, savings
Oo,
account lang. May digital savings.
Oo.
Ibang mga binibigyan ng digital savings, ang ganda na ng interest rates.
Yeah, may
Parang
6%
may
ha?
6%, 5%, 4%.
True,
Ganon. So,
true.
dun pa lang. Generally, basta legitimate na banko yan, may PDIC yan, up to 1 million yan. So, okay yun ha. May option ka na.
Oo.
Then
Secured
marami pa.
ka.
So, doon na nabibuild yung may digital savings ka, may digital platform, mayroong mga pag-ibig MP2 na medyo mas maganda na may
nabanggit
interest.
mo.
So, nagbabago ngayon yung nagkatikim options na pwede ka.
Pero where really to put your money? If there's
There's
yun na nga
no-
yung minsan ganun ang daming options pero mas masakit sa ulo isipin kung ano ba talagang mas tama.
Yan. What you need to develop over time is creating what you call a portfolio.
Portfolio, iba-iba.
Iba-iba yung portfolio. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng yun
Hindi
na.
pwedeng nasa isang bangko
Pero
lang.
ayaw mo na naman ng portfolio na sasakit ang ulo mo tapos di mo. Kasi kung di mo naman kaya i-monitor, i-manage.
So,
problema
mali
rin
yung
yan.
nasa isang bangko lang.
Depende gano'ng kalaki. Kasi kung
Oo.
malit lang pera mo talaga.
Doon lang. Huwag mo
Sabi niya,
ipila.
may lumapit sa akin.
Ganda.
Coach, how do I diversify my money? Magkano ba pera mo? 20,000. Ay, wag.
Teka lang, okay.
Ito sa apat pa lang yan. Kakapusin ka na sa minimum. Ano?
Ito, you talked about MP2, hindi po to bayad
Oo.
Pag-ibig MP2, ako personally wala akong ganyan. But I know a lot of people, mga colleagues ko,
Kaya
na
maganda yan.
nag-MP2. Pero when I ask someone naman about MP2, sabi niya, kung meron din namang option na kahit sabi mo ng hindi malaki from your bank, doon ka na lang, totoo bang mas safe sa bank compared to
Pareho lang yan.
Pag-ibig MP2?
Actually, to be realistic. Let's say digital bank. Nag-offer ako ng 6%. Pero alam mo yung promo yun, hindi naman yan.
forever? Hindi.
The
Ayun
whole
lang
idea,
yan.
para gets lang natin ang
Okay.
work. And I'm not putting...
Maya is offering
Okay.
6%. Ayan,
Okay.
para specific.
Ngayon.
Ngayon.
Okay.
Oo.
So the reason why they can offer it, para lang, ito, education na to ha. It's a marketing expense for them. Diba? Ang point niyan is, instead of marketing, dito ko ilalagay to entice people.
Yeah.
Para pag nandiyan ka na sa loob, sanay ka na ganyan, bababa na ngayon yung interest rate. Nakapasok ka na, sanay ka na, yung behavior mo na bago na.
Oo.
Okay na, dito na.
Oo.
Bakit marami gumagamit ng GCash? Kasi yun nauna eh.
Oo, yeah.
Mas marami na mas okay eh.
Sanay
Diba?
na yung tao.
Sanay ka na.
Yeah,
Lahat
yeah,
na ano. So, ganyan nangyari yan. So, aware ka lang na okay yan. May mga tao talagang ma-forum shop eh. Talagang move yan. Pero generally, gusto mo ba yung buwan-buwan? Nag-check ka kung ano yung malilipat mo na naman. Diba? Hindi ka naman
Mahirap.
ganun eh.
So, which one's better? Is it pag-ibig? Hindi nga ba safe ang pera natin kung doon natin ilalagay dahil under ng government or sa mga pribadong bangko?
Mag-save ang government kaysa sa private banks.
Oh.
Okay? Kasi una-una, nagbabayad tayo ng
yan,
tax.
guys.
nagpiprint. So, depende ngayon anong klase ah. Kasi
Oo.
pag government bonds, yan ang pinaka-safe na pwede mong gawin.
MP2 is safe.
Hindi siya the same eh.
Okay.
Hindi siya the same. An MP2 is by a government corporation.
Yeah.
GOCC yan.
GOCC. Hindi
Iba
siya
ang government bond, iba ang pag-ibig MP2.
Okay.
Hindi yan the
now
same.
I get you. Yeah.
Okay.
GOCC yan.
Ang government bond, okay, kasi yung mga RTBs, ayan, okay yan. Iba yan kasi galing yan sa treasury ng Pilipinas.
Oo.
It carries the sovereign guarantee of the Philippines. Ibig sabihin yan, magpiprint lang ang pera ng bayan, pwede niya nang ibayaran yan. Magka-taxan tayo pa niya. Kasi treasury galing sa balon ng bayan yan.
Pero on the other hand,
Pag-ibig MP2 is, yes, it is government. Yes, it carries a government, Pero, kaya yan nakakapagbayad yan basing on its members.
yeah.
Yung mga umutang na members, nabalik sa inyo,
Oo.
medyo ganun yung perspective. Now, in case na mag-default yan, the government will come in.
Oo, yeah.
Pero
Government pa rin.
Oo,
Kumbaga
pero hindi
secured ka pa
siya-
rin ng government.
Hindi siya the same. So,
Hindi siya secured ng government bonds.
from a regular customer perspective, it may be similar. But for us finance people,
It's
I have to
not.
be careful. Hindi yan the same. Ito, negotiable to eh. Pwede ko ibenta yung bond anytime, pwede bibili. Ito, hindi. I have to wait for maturity.
Oo.
So, kung pareho lang ang return, government bond ka.
Government bond ka.
Pero hindi parehong return yan eh.
Oo.
Okay.
Now, comparing it to the bank's offer, yung mga bonds, kung ano-anong klaseng bonds na ino-offer nila.
Dalawang klaseng bonds ha. Private or government.
Yeah,
Magkaiba
private.
yan.
For private bonds, halimbawa, or kung may government bonds man, na hindi sa lahat po ay ino-offer ito, I believe. So, kung papipili ka, kung ilalagay mo sa MP2, government bonds, or sa private bank, bakit sabi mo, mas delikado pa yung pribadong bangko?
From a purely technical perspective, pwede magsara gobyerno pero that's the least of our concerns pag nagsara gobyerno.
Delikado tayo.
Lahat ng pera natin walang value.
Yeah.
Pero yun yung structure natin. Okay? So hindi yan the same. Now, big banks, from a purely financial perspective, I don't think they were gonna close.
Yeah.
Plus, meron tayong PDIC,
Oo.
which is a government institution to insure your investment. Your not investments.
Up to 1
placements
million.
up to 1 million. Dati 500 lang, 1 million lang ngayon. So compare mo, less than 1 million, okay ka na. You don't have to worry about it.
Yeah.
Kung ano man mangyari
Insured
sa
ka.
bangko, okay na, insured ka na.
Oo.
Now, if it's more than 1 million, another case come in. So, hindi siya pare-pareho. Meron siya kanya-kanyang gamit. Meron siya kanya-kanyang advantage and disadvantage. Let's say, a government bond is, let's say, very safe. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-liquid.
Oo nga.
So, may maturity yan. Technically, pwede mo ibenta yan. May buyer naman yan. Pero, now, magiging marketplace yan. So, pwedeng higher, pwedeng lower. So, you don't know. But if you want to get that amount, you have to wait for maturity.
So, saan ka pupunta if you want to invest sa government bonds?
The banks will...
Sa banks din.
the brokers
Private
do it.
banks.
Meron na tayong digital, yung Bonds PH, meron mga ganyan na. So, meron na mga ganon. Marami na, nag-evolve na rin siya. So,
Okay.
But generally,
It's the same thing dun sa mga bonds na private din. Ganon din. Technically, medyo ganon.
a government bond is not the same sa private bond. Una-una, a government bond generally, mas liquid to. Kasi, natitrade to, nababuy and sell to.
Oh.
Lagi. Ang private bank, hindi yan laging liquid.
So, hindi masyadong conservative yan.
Conservative in the sense na mas safe, yes, si government. Si private, hindi siya, kunwari, let's say, bumili ka, 5-year yung bond. 3 years gusto mo na mag-exit, malamang hindi mo ma-exit yan. You have to wait to the 5. Sa government, you can. Merong buyer lagi yan.
Oh.
Okay? Bakit ako magpa-private? Bakit ako Ngayon, depende ano lang yung requirement mo. Meron akong gusto ko si private kasi mas mataas ang bibigay na interest. At hindi ko kailangan niya pera in 5 years. Pa-private ako.
Oo.
Pero gusto ko si bond, okay, kasi gusto ko, baka mamaya 3 years, kailangan ko yung pera. Kahit okay na ako. Yung higher interest, may cost yun. May cost sa'yo yun.
Oo.
So, sorry, finance na very ano to.
Oo. Pero we're learning. We're
So,
learning.
those things. So, again, babalik ka ngayon. Ano ba yung objective mo? Ano ba yung requirement mo? Ano ba yung risk tolerance mo? Dito na magpe-play fair na yan.
Oo. Well, at least nasagot niya yung tanong nung iba. Even I myself is worrying na, kasi may nakausap ako sinasabi niya, if okay ka na kay private ka na lang dahil mas safe yung pera mo. Hindi pala. Safe naman pala if
safe
it's MP2.
naman generally.
Oo,
Generally, lahat
oo,
naman yan safe
oo.
na yan. Let's say, private na ako. Hindi ko alam. Baka in next quarter, hindi kanya ng return. O makalimutan ko yan. Diba, mamaya, asa ka nangyayari yan? Ay, ito na lang pala return ko kasi nakalaki. Iniwan mo na. Pinabayaan mo na.
Pinabayaan mo na.
Unlike ang MP2, every year, although yes, gagalaw yan. Pero generally, yan yung rate niyan.
Mataas
Kita
na.
ng 6.7%, 7%. Ganyan makita mo. In 5 years, may difference yan. Kasi in 5 years, nag-compound si 7% ng ganon. Iba ngayon yung value niyan. Kasi ito na nagbago-bago, iba yung magiging value niyan. So, you cannot look at things from a short-term perspective. You have to look at it from a babalik ko rin, ano ba objective mo para saan ba? So, doon na papasok.
At syempre, kung talagang kaya mo nang mag-diversify
Kaya mo
ng
nang
portfolio mo,
mag-diversify.
hindi pa pala ako pwede. 20,000
Kaya yun
lang
ang
yung
point,
pera ko.
doon ka magka-start. I-build mo ngayon yung portfolio mo.
Yeah. But it's better
So,
if
umpisa,
iba-iba.
kaya nga, at saka lahat yan meron yan.
Oo.
Hindi naman pwedeng wala kang savings kasi liquidity yan.
Yeah. Is it perfect to invest now sa mga properties o wala na yung ganong era? Kasi before, ang alam natin, invest ka ng property, patulugin mo lang yung pera mo dyan, laging may kita. Ngayon
Hindi,
ba, ganun pa rin?
pwedeng oo, pwedeng hindi rin yan. So,
Oo.
now, ito yung pet peeve ko sa marami. Hindi, parang ang buhay hindi ganun kasi pwede kang bumili ng lupa 20 years after, hindi naman nag-grow eh.
Oh, really?
Kasi daming additional cost. O, binenta. Yun pala, kasi alam mo, merong perceived value. Ito mga sa property ko, try mo ibenta. Mabibili?
Nang ganon?
Nang
True.
ganon? Kung wala, hindi yun yung value.
Yeah.
Minsan, madaya yung mga developers kasi price increase. Bumili ka ng property. Akala mo yung price increase, yun ang presyo mo.
Oo.
Try mo ibenta yung property. Walang bibili na
Mahirapan
ganon.
ka. Oo.
Para bibenta mo slower. So, inflated prices doesn't always mean that's the real price.
So, hindi...
The real value of money is what
yeah.
people are willing to pay for. So,
So,
doon
hindi
makita.
talaga all the time okay mag-invest sa properties.
And in fact, sa properties, merong running cost yan.
Oo.
Diba?
Buy ka amilyar.
May amilyar yan.
Asok juice kung condo.
Ang
Yeah.
daming may transfer fees yan. Pag binenta mo yan.
Yeah.
Pag alam mo yung property na binili mo, pinarent mo,
Oo.
may VAT yan. Pag,
Yeah,
pag binenta
yeah.
mo,
Oo,
hindi
true.
lang cap gain yan.
Correct,
VAT yan, mas mahal na. So,
oo.
those, again, am I saying na hindi? What I'm saying is, you have to be aware of those things.
Dapat alam mo lahat.
Pero pwede ka bibili ako ng property, pinapaupahan ko naman eh. Okay lang.
So, if you're gonna...
May revenue pumapasok.
If you're gonna invest, condo, lot, or bahay, or townhouse, saan pinaka-okay?
Walang ganong sagot. Ito sabi ko, walang sagot lahat na straight. There's no such thing as a straightforward answer.
Okay.
Lahat yan, it depends.
Oo.
Himayin natin. Lot, generally, lalo na kung maganda yung location, will appreciate value.
Always.
Okay. Pero walang cash flow yan.
True. Tulog.
Condo will not appreciate as fast as a lot.
Okay.
Pero ito pwede mo paupa.
True.
Tapos entrepreneur ka, in-Airbnb mo pa.
Oo.
Diba?
Tama.
May mga Airbnb na yumaman dyan. So, iba ngayon yung
Ganun ang ginawang
facets.
business nila
So,
lahat.
ito,
Oo.
pwedeng capital appreciation, pero walang cash flow. Ito, hindi masyado capital appreciation, pero may cash flow.
Oo,
Budget
every
mo.
month may dadating.
Every month. Kasi wala ka naman pakialam sa ano.
May
basta
balik
mga-
agad,
So,
may balik.
hindi na siya pareho. Okay? Yung house kasi, generally, ako, I look at the house not as an investment, but as a need. Isa ka titira. So, di ba? Bumili ka. Now, in the future, it could have been an investment. Kasi pwedeng ganun eh. Binenta mo. Kasi, binili mo yung bahay, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom. Bahay mo ngayon. Pag yung mga anak mo, pag umalis na,
Oo.
doon makita katingin sa asawa mo.
Magda-downsize ka ngayon.
Tara,
Ayan,
kondo na lang
buhay
tayo.
nyo. Karamihan ng buhay.
Kaya nga marami pag nagbenta. Pero yung ang laki na in-appreciate. Lalo na bumili sa mga village.
Kumbaga, kumita na kayo.
ngayon. So,
Oo.
na-serve yung purpose niya. Pero
Yeah.
many of them, they bought it, that was not their intention.
Oh, yeah.
So,
it's for them to live
nagkataon
in the
lang. So,
house.
it could have been. So, hindi siya, pwede siyang maging investment later on, but that's not their primary reason. Again, I'm not saying, when you go into something, basta alam mo.
Yeah.
Diba? Aware ka.
Oo. Mas practical na nga ba sa panahon ngayon na ang taas-taas na bumili ng properties, ang mag-rent ka na lang kesa mag-invest sa sarili
Siyempre,
mo?
sagot ko, yes and no yan.
Okay. I wanna know
Yes
why.
and no. Again,
Sige.
depending on your situation.
Okay.
Kasi diba, before, diba, bili tayo sa metro kasi ma-traffic. Tapos nag-pandemic, bilihan sa, bakit? Ngayon, back to work. So, nagbago lahat ng fasalan. So, don't just look at trends. Look at your situation. Bili ako ng bahay. Sa South. Okay, Cavite, everything. Tapos 2-3 hours ka magka-travel.
Pakalayo.
O, diba?
Oo.
Ang dami mo running cost. At saka problema mo ngayon sa BGC Ortigas, sa BGC Makati, ibang level ng parking fees
Ay,
ngayon.
oo.
Ibang level.
Ginto.
Ginto talaga. So,
oo.
okay, the changes now it makes sense na I live around there. Pero
Yeah.
facet mo is, am I willing to pay that much for a small space? Depende na yung situation mo. Diba? Na wala kang park, wala kang ganun, lalabas ka. So, depende na yan sa nakikita mong situation. So, in a perfect world, you wanna be able to live in a house, do not travel too far, everything. But we don't live in a perfect world.
Yeah.
So, you have to learn how to adjust.
So what works for you? Titignan mo kung saan mas mababa
okay.
yung
Now,
mas okay
here's the
for
beauty
you.
of being financially savvy.
Okay.
You count the cost.
Yan. Lagi.
Kasi di ba, I
Oo.
count the cost.
Yeah.
I live in a small condo, but I only walk to work.
Oo. Wow.
I can
Oo nga.
scooter to work.
Yes.
I don't have the space, but I don't mind. When I go down, the amenities are there.
Yeah.
Okay? Now, iba na yung situation na may baby ako eh.
Oo.
Tapos nag-aaway na kayo mag-asawa, tapos work from home. Nasa 30 square meter kayo, work from home kayo pareho. Kakasigawan na
Di
kayo.
na kaya.
Iba na kayo.
Oo.
Nagbabago ngayon yung paradigm. So,
Depends on your
everything
needs,
is
no?
situational. Make sure that your situational is supported by your finances.
Ganda.
Ganda. So,
Oo, ganda.
walang straightforward, kaya coaching is important.
Oo, yes
so,
or no talaga yung sagot.
So, when I
Kasi,
sit down with you,
yeah, iba. Yung in-advise mo sa ibang tao, ibang
Hindi mo
i-advise
yan.
mo for me.
Yan.
Why-
Now, babalik ako. That's where empathy comes in.
Yun.
Hindi ako, eto lang, pare-pareho.
Oo.
Kasi yun ang problema ng mga influencers, yung mga
Yeah.
quote-unquote experts. Prescriptive lahat.
Mm-mm.
Ito.
Na parang para sa lahat mag-work tong advice.
Shortcut
It's
yan
not
Chacha.
gonna work for
Shortcut yan.
everyone. Yeah.
That's what I'm telling you. Build critical thinking. You don't just, for me, it's very easy to be prescriptive. I know it's not
You
gonna
don't
work.
want it to be like that.
The responsibility for me is too heavy.
Mhm.
That's why I can just tell people, invest ito. May base.
Mhm.
At gawin mo. Okay.
Mhm.
Kasi responsibility is very important. I cannot just tell people to do here, do that.
Mm-mm.
Look at your options. You can see. And then
Ah.
eventually, do your homework. And
Ito. Now, let's talk about insurance policy. Lahat na ng
Controversial.
tanong. Tapos na
Okay.
tayo sa lot, sa bonds, insurance policy. Okay. Which ones to get? Is it VUL or traditional type na lang tayo?
again, the answer is depends.
Okay.
Again,
Okay.
in reality, there's no straightforward answer to a lot of the questions.
Yeah.
Depende na yan ang point. What is important is alam mo what you're getting into.
Okay.
Let's say, himayin natin.
Oo.
Okay, a traditional policy can come in different forms.
Hmm.
It can be just a pure insurance, what you call a term. Okay? Term, it's great. Depende na yan kung ano ka. Ikaw ba yung taong marunong mag-invest on your own? Then term should be your insurance. I just need the protection.
Oo.
I don't need the plain vanilla na kailangan ko. Ako na
Oo.
bahala gumawa ng iba.
Oo.
So that will work for you. But you're a kind of a person na hindi ka rin marunong mag-invest or wala kang discipline or
Mm-mm.
yung
Or wala
mga
kang time.
Wala kang time and everything.
Oo.
Then you might want to enter an investment. A VUL policy that the investment is imputed in the policy.
Mm-mm.
Now, it's not again as straightforward as that.
Mm.
Ano ba yung laman na yun? Saan ba nakalagay? Kasi bakit maraming galit sa VUL ngayon?
Yes, super dami.
daming galit. Because for the longest time, the VULs were invested in local equities,
Oo.
Philippine stock market.
Oo.
And our Philippine stock market has been horrible in the last 10
Yes,
years.
yes.
It follows that because they are invested there, you're not making money. You would have lost money.
Oo.
Now, if you are investing in the stock market yourself, you also have lost money.
Yes.
If you bought a mutual fund, you also have lost money. So, gets on, everybody invested in the Philippine stock market have lost money.
Uh-huh.
But, kung yung policy mo, ninakalagay sa global investments, your VUL would have made money.
Mm.
Then, iba na ngayon yung narrative.
Okay.
So, education is very important. Awareness is very important. The right information is very important.
So do we need insurance?
Number one, we need insurance because there are many things that we cannot control in life.
Yeah.
Health and all these things, point.
Yeah.
The kind of insurance that you need is dependent on your knowledge, your understanding, your capacity, and your need.
Okay.
So
Pero
that-
not
so again,
all. Oo.
So that's why financial advisors, and shout out to all of you have to do your homework.
Amen.
You have to teach properly. You have to invest in your
Oo.
knowledge and your understanding. And you don't just sell any policy just to make a money.
Hindi lang
out of
yun
it.
The problem with some of the insurance, ako mismo like personal experience ko is parang every year nagpapalit ng sino na daw ha-handle sa akin. Ay,
Yeah.
nawala na daw yung isa.
So dapat marunong ka rin pumili.
I know.
Dapat may trust factor din yan. Pero,
Mm.
so kahit na magpalit-palit yan, basta alam mo yung binili mo, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Kasi you're still dealing with the insurance
Okay,
company.
you're saying na hindi kasi natin alam what's gonna happen. At least meron tayong parang emergency fund na rin somehow if you have an insurance.
kulang kasi yan.
may mga rider
Yeah,
yan, di ba?
yan.
Hospital rider and
Ang-
all that.
Alam mo,
Pero if it's like that, Sir Randall, hindi ba dapat ang kunin na lang natin is a hospital, what do you call that? Yung
hospital insurance.
hospital insurance.
Okay. Medical insurance.
Medical insurance rather the insurance per se na mas mapapakinabangan kung mategi ka, which ayaw naman natin mangyari.
Depende na ngayon yan, Nalet. So,
Okay.
yun yung facets mo titingnan mo. In fact, there are many, many kinds of insurance. May HMO, may HMO.
HMO, yeah.
Pero
ganun nga.
may hospitalization insurance, may medical insurance. Iba yun.
Oo.
They're not the same.
Oo.
Kasi HMO, pagpasok mo, okay, taking care, pero mababa kadalasan ng limit yan.
Oo.
Diba? Pero pwede ka magpa-check up, pwede ka mag-ER, ganun,
Oo.
okay na. Yung medical insurance, iba yan. Kailangan na, diba, pagpasok mo, kailangan hospital ka, kailangan gato. Pero mas malaki babayad ito. So,
At saka every year, nagre-renew ka.
lahat naman yan, every year
Oo,
magaling ka.
yes.
So, at the end of the day, all of those things will have its own use.
Mm.
Now you have to learn which one you need and generally it's a combination of these things. Kailangan life insurance kasi may mga bagay na mas malaki. Iba rin yung amount na yon. Iba yung makuha mo sa hospitalization mo na 1 million, iba yung 10 million mo na policy.
Naku, wala naman yata akong parang hindi aabot sa ganun.
So,
Sir
the point
Randel.
at the end of the day, kailangan you have to do your own due diligence. How
Oo.
much do I need? So,
Yeah.
case in point sa insurance.
Oo.
If something happens to me, kinuha ko ni Lord, ano mangyayari sa pamilya ko? So, number one, dapat lahat ng utang ko bayad.
Tama.
So, that should be folded in your requirement.
Mm.
Next, lahat ng education ng anak ko bayad. Folded in mo lagay niya. Titingnan mo. Next, magkano kailangan nila para mabuhay? Let's just assume they need 50,000 pesos until they become adults. Kukupitin mo yan. Dapat fold din yan. So, yung policy mo should cover that. Health insurance cannot cover that.
Yeah.
So, yan po. So, yan yung purpose niyan. So,
Pero I mean, most of the people who are getting VUL life insurance, hindi naman ganun kalaki ang ibibigay
kaya nga
talaga.
napasok.
Most of them are like 1 million, 2
So,
million
ngayon
lang.
napasok mo. Babalik tayo sa budget.
Oh.
Ano yung need mo ngayon? I'm a young family. I have 2 to 3 kids. Now, I need the bigger policy, the better.
Oh.
But my budget is only limited.
Oo.
So, ano ngayon yung insurance na mamamaximize ko yung benefit?
Oo.
Doon napapalo. Pag bumili ako ng VUL, 1M lang mabibili ko.
Oo.
Pag bumili ako ng term, 5M mabibili ko.
Oo.
Anong need
Pero
mo?
mas mataas
Oo.
ang hulog.
Hindi, pareho hulog.
Mm-mm.
Ito, may investment. Ito, wala.
Mm-mm.
Pag wala nangyari sa akin, tapon yung pera ko.
Oo.
Ito, kahit paano may recovery. The question is, ano ba ang need mo?
Oo.
Ano ba kaya mo i-afford?
Oo. Yeah.
So, babalik ka pa rin dun sa requirements and need mo. So, that's why, again, if I am a dutiful financial advisor, I have to adjust my recommendations depending on your situation
Depending on your needs.
and your affordability and everything.
Ngayon, kung talagang pipili ka ng policy, especially dun sa mga wala pa, VUL or TRAD, ano dapat piliin?
Kung gusto mo na may investments ka, yung wala ka naintindihan, mag-VUL ka. Pero kung ayaw mo ng risk, ayaw mo ng dadalawang isip ka, mag-TRAD ka na lang.
TRAD na lang. Sabi mo you're a risk
Kasi kung risk taker ka, you can maximize the risk. Like ngayon, bagsak ang stock market, nilagay mo stock market,
Best time
tapos
to
nag-recover yan, mag-recover yan. Kung mag-recover, ikaw di
Oo.
mag-recover.
O para sa mga taong wala pa rin alam pagdating sa stock market,
Pag
is
gano'n
it
kasi na
too
hindi
late?
ka,
I mean, is it too late to learn about it?
Kung
Or
hindi
should we just hire someone that will invest for
the
us?
point
Paano
is,
ba?
bakit kailangan stock market na investment mo?
Exactly.
Diba? Kung hindi naman daw,
Oo.
very few people invest in the stock market.
Oo. Delikado
Ayun lang kasi
siya.
ang ganda. Hindi nila type Marami naman ibang pwedeng gawin
Oh, yeah,
diba?
yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
ito nga yung argument
Good point.
Had you invested in, ito na naman tayo favorite topic, kung nag-MP2 ka 5 years ago at nag-MP2 ka stock market ngayon, 5 years ago, panalo ka sa MP2 ngayon.
Mm-mm.
Now, is it the same 10 years from now? I don't know. I don't have the crystal ball.
Mm-mm.
Because prior to the drought tayo na last 10 years sa stock market, prior to that, they were doing really, really well That's why yung mga nag-invest in the early 2010s, 2012.
Swerte sila.
Okay yan. 7%, 8%, 10%, 12% returns. May mga 20% returns
Wow!
na yan. Pero simula 2016, ditong 10 years natin, pangit.
Mm-mm.
So, titingnan mo ngayon horizon mo, saan ka titingin?
Mm-mm.
Last 10 years o last 30 years? Kung titingnan mo last 30 years, okay ka.
Mm-mm.
O last 20 years. Kaya ang nangyari kasi the last 10 years, winipe out lahat ng ginroon ng the first 10. So, 20 year, lahat ng 10 years growth mo, kinain ng pangit na last 10 years.
Mm-mm.
And that's the nature of the investment that you make.
Mm-mm.
Basta alam mo. Now, papasok tayo, Chacha. Kung 100% na investment mo, 20% ang nakalagay dyan. So, 20% of your money did not make money. But then you have the 80%.
Mm-mm.
So, creation pa rin ng portfolio.
Oo.
Ang wag nyo ka maniniwala na lahat ng pera mo kailangan stock market.
Oo.
Wag mo maniniwala lahat ng pera mo nakakondo.
Oo. Or nasa
Pag na-build
bangko.
mo na yung portfolio mo, build mo yan over time. So,
Yeah.
yun ang beauty. So,
And as you build your money, parang mas nagiging
At
maalam ka
At
diba?
saka naging
Where to put
confidence
it.
ka. Sa totoo lang, diba? At the end of the day,
No,
kung
confidence.
ngayon ako, totoo, I was risk taker when I was younger, but I'm
Now,
older
hindi na
now.
masyado.
Why do I want to?
Pero Sir Randall, sinasabi mo, over time, as you grow your money, you'll have confidence. But not all people are like that. Minsan kahit na alam naman nila na kaya ko naman mag-invest sa ganito, hindi nila gagawin Hindi sila masyadong risk taker. Mas lamang yung takot sa kanila.
Kung
I mean,
hindi
is that
ka
the
risk
right
taker,
attitude?
yes, kung hindi ka risk taker, then you choose low risk investments.
Oh, meron pa rin.
At the end of the day, you want
Is that
to sleep.
okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Oo.
Fine.
As long as
Hindi
you
naman
invest.
lahat ng risk taker kumikita
Okay, that's a good point.
Minsan
Oo.
yung mga, babalik na naman tayo. In the last 10 years, nag-MP2 ka, low risk taker ka.
Oo.
You're in a better position
Pero kasi
today.
may notion before na parang hindi mas lalaki yung pera mo dyan sa mga ini-investan mo kung lagi ka sa low risk.
Now we have history to tell us. We have
Okay.
data. I'm a data guy.
Oh,
So,
I love it.
babalikan natin.
Oo.
That would have been a right narrative
Mm.
or assumption.
Mhm.
Okay? 10 years ago.
Not now.
Not today. So,
Oo.
balikan na lagyan natin data.
Oo.
Between 2006 to 2016,
Mm.
if you invested in high-risk instruments, you would have made money.
Oo.
Okay?
Paldo ka, kumbaga.
Doon ka.
Oo.
But from 2016 to 2026, high-risk investments lost money.
Okay.
So, ano ngayon yung saan ka ba dapat? Depende pa rin yung situation.
Mm.
How long ka nag-invest. So,
Mm.
you cannot use this experience to say that that's the same experience.
Mm-mm.
Same with property.
Mm-mm.
Had you invested in property? Actually, property was doing well until 2022, 2023.
True.
Okay yun. Kasi now the narrative now starts to change. When the POGO was
Oo.
pinaliktad,
Na-ban.
nabago yung
Oo.
Sorry,
Landscape
nagbago
ng
nga yung
condo
landscape.
industry. True.
So now it changes.
yeah.
So what is the lesson there? In life, there is no security.
yeah.
There is no situation. Kasi dati, I remember was talking, kasi alam mo, yung mundo ko, di ba? Nakipag-argue ako yung mga, syempre Pinoy ako, Philippine investments are better. We had very good future back then. Perspective, I'm not saying, perspective, they look at the Philippines as a rising star. Okay? Atras natin many years ago. Prior to 2016, they look at the Philippines as one of the bright spots.
What happened?
Okay.
I mean, what happened? Yeah.
Ang nangyari, hindi ay
Oo.
marunong bumoto.
Hindi lang yon. I mean, may kausap din ako economist last time and he was saying, yung ekonomiya natin last 2020 up to now, hindi nag-grow. Parang we're stuck at 5%. Supposedly, dapat yung GDP natin is at 8% na.
For ngayon nga eh.
Exactly.
Hindi talaga mag-grow GDP mo kasi
Because of the flood
the
control
flood control.
issue.
Siyempre, imbis na maglabas ng pera ng gobyerno, ngayon natatakot.
Totoo
kasi,
yan
diba?
Kung kahit
facets
babaan
yan.
ng babaan yung interest rate sa bangko,
Wala.
hindi mag-i-invest.
Kailangan maglabas ng pera ng gobyerno.
Tsaka hindi mag-i-invest ang gobyerno. I mean, ang investors,
Both,
foreign, both and local,
Oo.
dahil nakikita nila what's happening in the country.
If generally kasi, infrastructure should
Yes.
come in. Back then, we had that. May marami tayong mga story. We have to learn. Pinoys have to learn basic economics. Pinoy has to learn those things para we can make better decisions to
Oo.
choose the right leaders.
And yung iba kasi natatakot sa pag-alam ng economics, parang feeling na, nakakatakot yan. Hindi, okay na yan. Wala naman yan.
Balik pa
Galing
rin
sa
ako.
industry ko eh.
Wala kasi tayong critical thinking.
Exactly.
Mababa ang comprehension natin.
That's why we're like this.
Gusto natin, ma-hype tayo eh. Gusto natin trending content. Those are the problems that we are
In right
seeking.
now.
And that's why now it reflects in our finances
Yeah.
because our investments are not going.
Yeah.
So smart people will know what to do with it.
yeah.
Generally speaking.
Okay.
Diskarte siya.
Smart people also know kung kailan ang tamang panahon para umutang. Kailan mo nga ba masasabi na ang pag-utang ay okay lang?
Okay. Perspective sa utang, generally, if you can avoid. That's the general term.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm in the right track.
Okay? Avoid.
Oo.
Okay? But, there's such a thing as a good debt and a bad debt.
Mhm.
Saan mo gagamitin yung pera? If yung utang na yan will allow you to build assets, to improve your cash flow, to grow businesses, and then that's gonna be okay. Pero yung utang na yan to buy things you don't need with money you don't have, to impress people you don't
Versus the
Alam mo yun,
wants.
just
yeah,
because,
Yeah.
like.
Ang kumari ko may bagong TV, nag-iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Invest in experiences kahit na utangin mo yan, then mali. Kasi walang recovery yon.
Yeah.
Point. Even cars. Okay ba kumuha ng kotse? Depende, sino ka. Okay? Ikaw yung tipong tao na bumili ka ng kotse para pogi ka, then mali.
Oo, yeah.
Bumili ka ng kotse because it's a tool
Panghanap buhay.
Panghanap buhay, tool of the
Oo,
trade.
oo,
It gets you from
oo.
one place to another. Diba? Malaki na, can afford mo, then okay yun sa'yo. It's very different depending on who's gonna borrow the money. So, but generally, avoid. Kasi kaya ko sabi generally avoid.
Generally, avoid utang hanggat kaya.
Unless, kunyari, bibili ka na ng bahay.
Kung may pang-cash.
May pang-cash ka, okay. But how many people, aside from you,
Hoy! I wish!
can buy their house in cash?
Oo.
So, then wala kang choice.
Yeah.
Then that's good. So, ngayon, dahil marunong ka humawak ng pera, then now you can afford it.
Yeah.
Now you can utang yan. So, pero marami namang wisdom. Lumalaki na pera mo na, dagdagan mo na yung hulog mo para matapos agad. Diba?
Oo.
Kasi may connotation sa utang. Sa totoo lang ha, ako, ito na, now that I'm older, allergic na ako umutang. Kasi alam mo, ayoko na maghulog. Alam mo yun, may a certain point in life mo
Kami
na,
nga, saktong older lang, allergic din kami sa utang.
Alam mo,
Hindi, kasi
pero-
siguro may fear of, we don't know what's gonna happen
pero sa
in 3
totoo lang,
or 5
ito,
years.
This is a
eh.
behavior part. Nakakapagod magbayad. Meron ka tinatag mong
Ayaw mong parang may tali or
may
burden.
fatigue ka. So, depende na yan sa personality mo.
Yeah.
Kasi I don't fault people na malakas ang loob.
At ang daming ganyan.
Pero now, ako, as when I coach people, pag sobrang lakas ang loob mo, pas wala kang wisdom, ano yan? Danger yan.
Oo, tsaka parang may thinking sila na
At
hindi,
tsaka-
once kuhanin mo yan, mas maraming blessings yung darating kasi
Mali yun. Bakit
wala pa yung
sinabi
blessing kinuha na.
So, wag
Uy, may mga ganong paniniwala
So,
Sir Randall. I'm sure you have heard about it.
You have to go back. That's why this wisdom is very, very
Yeah,
important. So, it's not wrong to borrow, but you have to borrow for the right reasons and the right borrowing.
Ang ganda.
Example, mutang ako para makabili akong telepono. Kailangan ba talaga yung telepono? O, diba? O, the point. Umutang ako kasi naghulog ako ng bahay tapos napa-Airbnb ko. Ibang-iba yun. Kasi nagbibuild ka ng assets doon. May cash flow yun. Or may negosyo ka. Ideally, magaling kasi.
Mag-expand, kunwari.
Mag-expand.
Oo.
Alam mo yung, ano yung pulsado mo ng negosyo mo.
Oo.
Alam mo na pag
Kabisado
kabisado
na.
mo na. O di okay.
Then go.
Umutang ka tapos nag-expand ka pero di ka naman ganun kasigurado. Kahit ngayon kasigurado ka, nagkakamali ka pa.
Actually, at saka
So-
lahat ng papasukin mo, hindi mo naman sure.
So there's what you think you call risk management.
Okay.
So, yung utang mo, titingnan mo, healthy pa ba yan? Example, lagyan natin ang numero.
how would you know if it's not healthy?
This is where finance comes in.
Okay.
Ako, pag kunyari, let's say, utang ng bahay.
Oo.
Ako okay ako dyan eh.
Mm-mm.
Pero meron ding limits yan.
Mm.
If yung hulog mo is more than 30% of your net take-home pay, medyo kuidaw ako dyan.
Okay.
Kasi
That's
magigipit
good.
ka eh.
Tama.
So, kunyari, ang net take-home pay mo, let's say mo 100,000 magkasama kayo.
Dapat, ang
Yung hulog mo
utangin lang.
30,000,
Okay.
magko-survive ka sa 70.
Oo.
So imagine mo kung 50,000 yung hinuhulog mo, 60,000. Can you afford it? Technically, in paper, yes.
Pero may ibang
May
gastos.
yung 40,000 ba kaya mo,
Tama.
4 anak mo.
At hindi nakikita minsan ng tao yun.
Yan, ang mga bagay.
Correct.
Those are the things that you need. Then napapasok, baka you're better off renting ka muna ngayon.
Oo.
Diba?
Oo.
So, until you're building to that point. So,
Oo. Pwede namang i-pause muna eh. Ipon-ipon hanggang sa mas kaya
para
na.
mas malaki yung, mas malaki ngayon yung down payment mo, mas maliit na
Mas
yung
maliit ang,
amortization mo.
Yeah.
Okay?
Mas madali mo siya mababayaran.
So now, that's a beauty if you have wisdom and understanding and yung mga bagay, no?
At humble ka rin.
ang
Yung
complicated
sinasabi
na,
mo eh.
oo.
Parang lahat ng mga tanong ko sa'yo, it all boils down to, you just be humble. At the end of the day, talagang hindi mo
O,
alam lahat eh.
Bakit ka nag-rent? Kaya may pambili ka ng bahay.
Ayan,
ano
ayan.
ngayon? Diba?
O kaya, bakit nagre-rent pa rin hanggang ngayon? Parang nakita mo naman, yung asawa niya, ganito naman ang trabaho, parang siya nag-work din, ba't hindi sila...
You have to understand, yung cultural norms natin doesn't mean it's good and it's right for you.
What's
So, what's
what's
wrong?
good for your family may
At
not
saka
be good for
situation.
other people. Yeah,
20 years
situational
ago,
siya.
that truth may be very different than today.
Oo, yeah.
That 20 years ago, things are more affordable, makes more sense. Dati naman, madali bumili ng bahay. Kasi paano eh.
Pero Sir Randall, kasi mas matindi ang pressure ngayon, especially their social media.
If
Sinasabi
you-
mo nga before, meron ng pressure.
Yeah, if you allow yourself to be pressured.
Exactly. Amen.
Diba?
You don't allow yourself to be pressured.
So, yun yung situation. Kailangan secured ka lang. Secured
Kailangan
ka lang kung ano
okay
meron
lang
ka.
sa'yo na even if nakikita nila that you're earning, pero bakit yan lang ang minamaneho mong kotse, kaya mong
So
bumili?
what?
That's what I always say. Kailangan ko ba? Hindi ko naman kailangan eh.
Kaya huwag ka maiinggit eh.
Correct. Actually, di ba? Yun nga eh.
Ayan yung comparison.
Punot dulo ng
Alam mo
lahat.
yung comparison, delikado kasi yan
Totoo
eh.
yan.
So, pag kinumpare mo sarili mo, nakaangat siya, insecure ko naman.
Amen.
That was my story
Oo.
before.
Oo.
Ikaw naman okay ka naman.
Kasi nga wealthy ka na, wealthier yung mga kasama mo.
Kunyari okay ka na.
Oo.
Tapos na-compare mo, puti pa siya.
Oo.
Yabang mo naman. So,
Oo.
pareho hindi okay yun eh.
Yeah.
Either ma-insecure ka o yumabang ka. Those are both not pleasing to
And
the
let's
Lord.
not forget yung story mo kanina, during that time na mas down ka sa money, pero nung mas may wisdom ka na, may Lord ka sa buhay mo, mas masaya ka pa.
Takot ako, Lord eh.
Di ba?
Then-
Okay.
At the end of
Eto,
the day, sabihin mo, sinabi ko ba sa'yo mag-ganyan?
tama. Ang
Hindi
dami.
na problema. Kaka-worry mo ang ganyan, hindi ka na, alam mo yun,
Hindi na masaya.
Hindi ka na, tsaka hindi ka na masaya, hindi ka na okay na pamilya, hindi ka na makatulong sa ibang tao. Alam mo yung gano'n yung mga point mo. Parang, yun ba yung gusto ni Lord sa buhay natin? Hindi naman ata.
Malaki ba yung epekto, Sir Randall, ng mental health sa finances ng isang tao?
I think that's the
Kasi may mga,
correlation na
sorry,
hindi
may mga
nagagawa.
nagsasabi na, okay na ako magka-problema basta meron akong pera. Meron naman mga nagsasabi na, money's not everything. I mean,
Yeah. I think
gaano
babalik pa rin
kalaki,
tayo
gaano
sa
kalaki
wisdom.
yun? Kalaking
I
effect
think,
nung
I don't wanna
pera
put down
sa
anything
anxiety.
kasi ang problema mo ngayon, everybody uses mental health as an excuse. Wherein, growing up, wala naman kami. I don't even know the term mental health growing up. Alam ba?
Oo.
Ang dami ko kaklase, wala naman akong kaklase may anxiety. Diba?
Ngayon, sa inyo.
Ngayon, parang
Oo.
bata pa lang. Marinig ka, bata.
Teenagers pa lang may anxiety.
Anxiety, di ba? Ang buto ko teenager, grade school pa lang,
Oo.
marinig mo na yung anxiety, di ba?
Oo.
So, I don't know. I'm not a clinical person to do that. But
Okay.
a lot of it also has to do with your finances also.
Oo.
Kasi
A lot of your problems in
yeah,
life.
kung ikaw nagkikreate niyan, kaya ka nape-pressure. Kaya na-compare mo sarili mo. Nakakapag-Japan sila, ikaw hindi. Ikaw rin mo, you create your own nightmares and problems.
Yeah.
But when you're content, di ba, content is one of the greatest principles.
Amen.
And you're okay, you secured ka.
Amen.
Di ba, I'm happy for you. Sa totoo lang, when I see somebody na okay, I'm happy for you.
Yeah.
Does that mean I had no?
Oo.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah.
The same way I do something, be happy for me. Di ba? I mean, at the end of the day, yan yung point eh. Now, masama ba na? Hindi naman, it's okay naman to. Okay, ano kaya feeling ng, mas magandang sasakyan? Diba? Pero, hindi.
Bawal ba yun?
Hindi
Ayaw
naman
ba ni
bawal.
Lord yun? I mean, is it in the Bible na meron ka ng magandang stuff na ganito and then you want something more?
I don't think it's wrong. At the end of the day is, kasi alam mo, huwag din tayo legalistic. Kasi binibless naman tayo ni Lord, di ba?
Oh,
Parang point is, at the end of the day, ano ba yung dapat mong gawin? Di ba? I have been a good disciple. Diba? Point mo. Ngayon, dahil maganda yung gamit mo, hindi ka na makatulong sa ibang tao. Hindi, alam mo, may problema na.
Oo, tama.
Diba?
Hindi ka makapagbigay.
Hindi ka na makapagbigay.
Oo.
Di ba? Iba na yan. Dahil nga, to maintain your lifestyle, wala ka ng oras sa lahat ng bagay. Tama pa ba yun? So, yun yung question. So, again, everything is individualistic. But
Yeah.
marami niyan, alam mo, totoo lang. It's between you and the Lord.
Oo, amen.
Alam mo yan. Dapat honest ka kay Lord din.
Oo.
So, pakita mo. Pakita mo yung point mo. Ako, honestly, at that come to a point in time, I can have more than what I have. But do I choose to do that? But
at the expense
at the
of your
expense of ano ba,
family?
mga
No,
ganun ba? So,
no.
hindi na rin.
No.
So, okay na lang yan. So, I'm good. The satisfaction is very important.
Okay.
Contentment and security.
Satisfaction, contentment. When is
Pero may
enough?
base din.
Yun na nga, when is enough enough?
Kasi pwede mo sabihin, kontento ko na. Tapos,
O kaya baka may mga nakikinig sa atin, kontento na ako, 2 beses lang kami kumakain sa isang araw. Char.
so, meron
I mean, contentment.
may mga basic.
A lot of people is okay with their lives naman na. Totoo naman yon. But, I don't know, is it like the culture na parang nasa rat race tayo, hindi tayo tumitigil magtrabaho? Or, talagang, saan galing yun? Yung parang ang hirap makontento ng iba.
Alam mo, babalik pa rin yan. Ano ba purpose mo sa buhay? Kasi, pwede ka naman, totoo lang masipag, ayoko naman ng ginagawa That doesn't mean mali ako.
Tama.
So,
Hindi ka sanay na
pero
nakahiga.
ito yung purpose ko Purpose ko talaga na, kailangan okay, I'm gonna do that. Kasi some of my friends are not doing anything anymore.
Oh, sarap.
Diba? One of my closest friends.
Retired na.
Naman, younger. Ayoko naman yung tatay ko hanggang namatay, kumikilos masaya siya
Depends, ano?
Depende na yan sa'yo. So,
kung ano nag-fulfill.
So, babalik pa rin, are you still doing the purpose that God has intended you to do?
And,
Kasi pag ganun ka din, okay, you can work at wherever. But kaya nga, diba, mayroong mga wisdom yan Pahinga ka minsan, diba, yung point. May mga ganun bagay naman. So yun yung situation. Sabi nga, ikaw nga rante ko, kailan ka pa tumanda, tsaka dahil mo, ano magagawin ko, diba?
Yeah.
Hindi naman pwede araw-araw kulitik ko yung mga
Ito ang
apo ko.
purpose ni Lord sa'yo ngayon. Na sa edad mong yan, kailangan ng financial literacy ng mga Pilipino.
Or now, I bring it to the churches, diba?
Yeah. You give them wisdom on money and you bring them closer to God.
Yeah, the same way. So,
Diba?
ganun pa rin yung yun
Sabay siya. Hitting two birds in one stone.
That's why, yun nag-determine kung anong dapat na pace ng buhay mo.
Yeah.
Kung anong ginagawa mo,
Tsaka
what you have.
what's your purpose? It's important. Para
Now,
mas madali ka makontento.
It's not wrong to, generally enjoy. I love traveling. My wife, yun yung point We can travel more. Then let's travel. Diba? Parang travel more.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Ay, there's nothing wrong with it. Hindi yan galing sa flood control. Okay. Meron ako mga grabe, parang almost 2 hours na yata yung conversation namin. But I love talking to you. I'm learning a lot. So, a few advice na lang. Unahin natin. What's your advice para sa mga 20s and 30s na nagsisimula pa lang sa work?
Well, number one, matuto kayo mag-ipon. I
Okay.
think yun yung kulang talaga sa atin eh. I think you look at your capacity to save. Next is also invest on yourself talaga. Build competency,
Sa
build
edad na yun,
experiences.
20s and 30s.
Mag-aral kayo,
Mm-mm.
read more,
Yeah.
parang ganun. Point. Don't look at your career as a competency building time.
Mm-mm.
When you look at my 20s, I learned a lot in my 20s and
Mm-mm.
even in my 30s.
Mm-mm.
Kasi yan building up time yan. Don't be in a hurry, don't be in a rush. Pero enjoy life as well. Alam mo, ito, medyo financially irresponsible ka. Okay lang mag-asawa na maaga. Hindi naman,
Wag super late.
Kasi, I mean, tawa ko ng tawa. Nakita ko. Sana may nagturo sa akin ito. May anak ako ngayon, teenager, tapos perimenopause na ako, di ko kaya sabay. Meron tayong decide. So, of course, don't be irresponsible.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero, alam mo yung building your finances is a lifelong journey.
Kumbaga, wag i-delay masyado ang pagkakaroon ng pamilya if you want to have your own family.
That's assuming that yung okay ka.
Yeah.
Kasi gusto mo naman fine.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganun ba, enjoy, get married.
Oh.
Those are important. Have children.
Yeah.
Diba? Of course, with wisdom. Sa akin, in your 20s, if you get married in your 20s, I'm
That's
good.
okay.
I'm okay with that. Basta kaya mong buhayin. Does that mean kasi
Basta responsable.
Oy, bago ako mag-asawa ka lang, may bahay na ako, may education plan.
O kaya doon sa mga magulang ipinasagot,
Diba? Hindi, basta, bear.
No, I'm getting you on the
struggle kayo.
part a lot of people have been parang delaying building a family because they're so focused on building their career. There's nothing wrong with that. Pero sana, yan talaga yung gusto mo. Kumbaga, yan yung gusto mo. Hindi yung pagdating ng panahon na may edad ka na, magsisisi ka na, bakit ngayon lang or bakit napabayaan ko yung
So I think
aspeto na
that's
yun
one of
ng
the
buhay
things,
mo.
I think, telling young people straightforward. It's okay to get married early.
Ah.
You will struggle. Bakit pag nag-asawa ka naman ng 30s, di ka na mag-struggle?
Oh, meron pa rin.
Meron ba yung struggle 40?
Or 40s.
Nagbabago na yung struggle mo.
Nandiyan ka na. What's your advice sa mga nasa 40s at 50s?
Yan na.
Pakiramdam nila,
Ito, medyo
gagawin ko?
sinescale up mo na dapat yung preparation mo for the older years. Building enough assets, money.
nandun ka na dapat, ha?
Nandun ka na dapat.
Kung wala ka pa doon, medyo kailangan ba kabahan ka?
Ngayon, you have
start
to
it?
redesign your life for you to be able to. Kasi it takes time to build it.
Mhm.
So, kung 30, 40s ka na nag-start, that's fine, you can do it. But, re-engineer your life. You're allowed to allow these things. So, scale down on certain things. Baka tingnan mo, baka sobrang, example, may mga tao, sobrang daming subscription, di ginagamit eh. Bawasan mo.
Yeah, tama.
Diba? Gym-
Amen. Sobrang kuripot ko sa ganyan.
Okay.
Correct.
Nag-enroll, health is why nyo. Tapos,
Tapos first
January
month
lang, nawawala na.
Correct.
Yung mga ganun bagay, tingnan
Na hindi
mo,
natin napapansin
Hindi mo
minsan.
kailangan. Baka hindi naman kailangan mag-travel abroad every year.
Tama, amen.
Diba?
Oo, kung ano na yung kaya.
So, now you have to look at, know your priorities well, and then you work towards it. In your 40s, that's going to be, very important to take a look at. Tingnan mo ngayon, ano yung nagawa mo, ano yung napuntar mo, ano pa yung dapat mo gawin, ano yung dapat mo i-adjust. Kasi ngayon, mas stable ka na eh, career-wise, more or less gets mo na eh. Nasa medyo, yes, may may grind ka pa rin, pero medyo mas, iba yung grind ng 20s, iba yung grind ng 40s.
Tama,
Mas may
may pagod
stability
na.
yung 40s eh.
Tsaka
May wisdom ka na rin.
May wisdom ka na, pero ang bilis mapagod.
At saka hindi ka na rin, di ba? Pati persona mo nagbago na. You should be more stable.
Yeah. Oo. And if you're in that era of your life na mas stable ka, congratulations. Kung hindi pa, it's never too late. Diba? Para humabol doon.
Alam mo yung purpose mo, baka nga hindi pa alam yung purpose mo. Diba?
Mahirap yun. Oo. Ito, last na lang, it's 2026. Anong dapat na habit ang simula ng lahat pagdating sa pera?
Siguro, money is a tool, it's not the end goal. The most basic, save more eh. But if you're saving well, what for? Sige ka lang mo tignan. So lang talaga is avoid debt, avoid unnecessary spending.
Yeah.
Alam mo, isa sa pinakamalaking problema natin ngayon is online gambling.
Oh, yeah.
Online gambling,
yes.
online debt.
Yes,
Okay, so
yes.
ito mga kaya alam mo, sa totoo lang, I'm gonna use this platform to, umiinit ulo kapag nakita ko ng online gambling advertising. Alam, di ba bawal na? Bakit ang dami pa rin sa EDSA? Ang dami pa rin sa sa phones, dami pa rin, that's not gonna do anything for you. Kahit ano gawin mo. So, stay away from online gambling because kasama ng online gambling is online debt. So, stay away from that. Build a better future. Be content with what you have. Diba? So, don't get out of mga shortcut. There's no such thing.
There's no shortcut in life.
So, yan. And then, enjoy. Make yourself right with the Lord. Diba? And makita mo that life is good.
Yeah.
Life is good.
Thank you so much. We have learned a lot today. Alam mo, parang feeling ko, kulang tong isang buong araw na meron tayo to talk about so many stuff na kailangan nating tugunan sa problema ng mga Pinoy.
Pagdating
exactly.
It's a lifelong journey.
Amen. And I'd love to have you next time on the
Sure,
show.
sure.
Pag-usapan pa rin natin yung iba pang mga questions nyo for Sir Randall sa susunod na pagbabalik niya dito. Put them all in the comment section. Saan kanila pwedeng hanapin online?
I still have a website. I have social media, Facebook, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Doon naman ako. So,
lagay natin sa description box ng YouTube channel natin para you can find Sir Randall. Tumatanggap ka pa naman, di pa naman sobrang dami na mga kailangan mo i-coach ngayon. Pwede ka nila i-message on
selectively.
Instagram
Usually sumasagot naman ako eh.
or magpa-coach sa'yo mismo.
We'll see.
Ayan. Okay. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much, Sir Randall. I have learned a lot. Yung bang, sabi mo nga kanina, akala mo may knowledge ka, pero ang totoo, may knowledge ka, pero wala kang wisdom. Forever kung babaunin yun.
Thank
Ang
you.
ganda nun. Thank you so much on From the Heart, once again, financial expert, Mr. Randall Tiongson.